Steph, I know the Currys and the Ionescus have been friends now for a couple years. When did Sabrina, though, first come onto your radar?
Probably her junior year in high school. I had heard about her living out in Walnut Creek, and my god sister who's up in Oregon now, who can be at Stanford next year. I was kind of looking up to her, so kind of got on the radar then, and obviously what she's made out of her career has been amazing. And I think the best is yet to come in these next few months.
Since that time, as a high schooler, what's impressed you most about her development as a player?
I mean, everything. I think it's hard to pick one thing. Just her passion for the game, her leadership. She's got that winning mentality, and I think every night she just appreciates being out on the floor and bringing it. So it shows how she makes her teammates better, but still plays her game. Triple doubles are nice too, but she just has it all.
What is it, though? There's lots of great ballers out there, but what is it about Sabrina that caught Kobe's attention, that's caught your eye, and the eyes of so many other NBA superstars?
I think the eye test when you see her on the floor. Stats may mean a lot, but when you get to watch somebody, and like I said, the passion that she brings, it's in her eyes, and I think it's just the competitive nature that she has. You can't teach that. So she could be blessed with all of the talent and skill in the world, but if she didn't have that, she wouldn't be who she was, and I think that's the difference maker.
So you guys are playing her. You put Clay on her, Draymond, you guard her. Who's guarding her?
And definitely not me, because I'm the liability on defense right now. But she command a lot of attention.
You got two young girls. They're with you here today. What do they think about Sabrina?
They're actually going to meet her for the first time, so it's a pretty awesome experience. This is their first women's basketball game, so I'm excited to kind of share that with them. And Riley's been asked about it all day, like when are we going? So I think hopefully Sabrina will teach her this.
What does it mean for you as a father of two young girls, for them to have players like Sabrina and Ruthie to look up to?
I think it's important in terms of role models that they can look up to. I don't know if they're going to play basketball or not, but if they do, then I'll definitely put on some Sabrina clips and let them know this is how you play the game the right way. So it's a generational thing when you have people that you can look up to that teach you how to play the game and give you that inspiration that you need.
And finally, it's great having you here as a fan, but we miss you breaking ankles, dropping threes. We're going to see you back out there soon, man?
Hopefully so. I'm working my butt off to try to get back out there. About 25 games left, so hopefully I can get to play a good amount of them come March and be out there with my guys.
This is awesome. Appreciate you. Can't wait for that.
That's great. Appreciate it.